Welcome to this video on searching the Bowman Library databases. We'll take a look at searching EBSCOhost, the library's largest collection of magazine, newspaper, and journal articles. We'll begin at the library's homepage, where we'll go to the section that says Search Databases. Here we'll find an alphabetical listing of all the library's subscription databases. If a database contains full text, you'll see a box that says full text beside the listing. Also notice that you can find a description of the contents of each database by hovering over the More link. Let's go down the list and find EBSCOhost. If you look in the More link, you'll see that EBSCOhost allows you to search several databases at one time. You can also search each separately if you want a search that is more focused on one of the subjects it covers, such as business or health. Each of these databases also appears separately on the alphabetical list. For our search, we'll click on the link to EBSCOhost and be taken to its main search page. Just like in the library catalog, the default setting for your search is by keyword, even though the search box does not actually say that. Notice there are other options in the pull-down box, such as title and author. In the previous module on searching the library catalog, we searched on social networking. Let's continue that search by looking at privacy issues in Facebook. Our search terms will be Facebook and privacy, and we'll type those into the top two search boxes where the terms will be joined with the word "and." That's one of the Boolean terms we discussed earlier in this module. If you were interested in expanding your search to privacy issues in both Facebook and Google, you could use the Boolean term "or" and search for Facebook or Google and privacy. But we'll stick with our original search for Facebook and privacy. Here are our results. Over 2,900. Probably a few more than we'll want to look at. But let's explore some ways we can manage our results and make them more relevant. We can limit our results to articles that include only full text and to articles that are in peer-reviewed or scholarly journals. Simply click those boxes. And if we wanted a different date range, we could adjust the dates given. Then hit the Update button. We get 59 results, a much more manageable number. But remember that our results show all the articles that include the words Facebook and privacy anywhere in the article. We want only the ones that are really on the topic of Facebook and privacy. Remember how we use the subject headings in the library catalog to make our search more focused? We can do something similar here. Take a look at the subject heading options and choose ones that seem most appropriate. Let's choose social networks and privacy. That brings our results to 25. You can take a look at these articles and then refine your search further by choosing other subject headings. Now let's take a look at the second article on the list that's titled "Too Many Facebook Friends." Let's explore this page. Here you'll see the authors, the source, which is the name of the publication where the article appears, the date, the volume and issue, and the page numbers, all the things you will ultimately need for a reference page if you use this article in a paper. Next, you'll see all the subject terms for this article. These might provide new search terms for you to explore. Lastly, you'll see the abstract of the article. That's the summary, and reading it will help you decide if this article will be useful for you. In order to read the entire article, you'll click on the PDF full text link on the left side of the page. And on the right side of the page, you can choose to print the article, email it to yourself, or save it. Now that you've learned some of the tricks of successful searching in EBSCOhost, you can take those skills and use them in other databases.